Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Southern cuisine, and we've got a classic dish that'll make your taste buds dance with delight: American shrimp and grits. Before we get cooking, let's explore some unknown facts about this iconic dish. You might think you know everything about shrimp and grits, but trust me, there's more to discover. Fact number 1. Grits are made from ground corn, specifically hominy corn. This Native American staple has been around for centuries and was even referred to as Indian corn by the early settlers. Fact number 2. Shrimp and grits originated in the lowcountry of South Carolina. It was a simple fisherman's breakfast, but it has since become a beloved Southern comfort food staple. Fact number 3. Shrimp and grits is a dish that varies from region to region. In some places, it's served with a tomato-based sauce, while in others, it's smothered in a creamy gravy. We'll be making the classic creamy version today. Now, let's get to the fun part: cooking up this mouth-watering dish. Cook the grits. First, cook your grits. Bring water to a boil, then stir in the grits. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Prepare the shrimp. While your grits are simmering, let's prepare the shrimp. Season them with salt, pepper, and a dash of cayenne for some heat. Sauté them in a hot pan with butter and minced garlic until they turn pink and opaque. Make the creamy sauce. Now, for that delicious creamy sauce. In the same pan, melt some more butter, then add heavy cream, chicken broth, and a bit of hot sauce for a kick. Let it simmer until it thickens. Combine and serve. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour that luscious creamy sauce over your cooked grits, and top it with the sautéed shrimp. Garnish with some chopped scallions, and you're ready to savor this Southern masterpiece. Fact number 4. Shrimp and grits used to be a humble dish, but it's now been elevated to gourmet status. Some chefs experiment with exotic ingredients like tasso ham or use Creole spices for a unique twist. Fact number 5. Back in the day, shrimp and grits wasn't just a breakfast dish. It was a hearty supper for fishermen coming in from a long day at sea. It was hearty, affordable, and oh so satisfying. Fact number 6. You might be surprised to learn that there are over 300 different species of shrimp in North America, each with its own distinct flavor and texture. So, there's a lot of room for creativity when choosing your shrimp. Okay, now that we've enriched our knowledge about shrimp and grits, let's head back to the kitchen and create a delicious, authentic version of this iconic dish. Savor the flavors. As we savor this dish, remember that shrimp and grits is not just a meal. It's a journey through the history and culture of the American South. The creaminess of the grits, the succulence of the shrimp, and the subtle heat from the spices create a symphony of flavors that'll have you coming back for more. Fact number 7. Did you know that shrimp used in shrimp and grits is an excellent source of protein? Not only does it add amazing flavor to the dish, but it's also a healthy choice for those looking to enjoy a balanced meal. Fact number 8. The stunning landscapes of the American South, with its swamps, bayous, and coastal waters, are the perfect natural habitat for shrimp. This abundance of shrimp has contributed to the dish's popularity in the region. Fact number 9. Shrimp and grits recipes date back to the 19th century, appearing in cookbooks as early as the 1850s. It's incredible to think about the lasting legacy of this comforting dish. Now that we've unraveled some more fascinating facts, let's get back to the kitchen and whip up an unforgettable shrimp and grits meal. Presentation and garnish. Don't forget, presentation matters. Top your shrimp and grits with a sprig of fresh parsley or a lemon wedge for that final touch of elegance. The vibrant colors will make your dish even more inviting. Pairing suggestions. Pairing wine or beer with shrimp and grits can elevate the dining experience. A crisp Chardonnay or a light lager complements the dish perfectly. Feel free to explore your own pairings. Cultural fusion. Shrimp and grits reflects the cultural diversity of the American South, blending Native American, African, and European culinary influences into a harmonious dish. Shrimp sizes. The size of the shrimp used can dramatically affect the dish. Smaller shrimp tend to infuse more flavor into the grits, while larger shrimp offer a meatier bite. Cheese variations. While creamy grits are the classic choice, some variations incorporate cheese, such as cheddar or parmesan, for added richness and flavor. As we savor the flavors of this timeless dish, remember that shrimp and grits isn't just a meal. It's a connection to history, culture, and nature. We hope you've enjoyed these fascinating facts and the culinary journey we've shared today. Thank you for being a part of our culinary exploration today. Now, it's your turn to create this iconic Southern dish, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Until our next adventure in the kitchen, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep enjoying.